Hello everyone, let's take some white clay and spread it on the ground like this as shown in the video, and take the tissue paper, tear it out, cut into small pieces like this. Now you have to insert these tissue paper inside the clay and make the fluffy bodies and stick the head of the sheep. These sheep are looking really good. Now make the fence. Let's take the egg tray and cut out the cone like this. Now cut out the petals of the flower. Color it into white, fill it with some yellow clay at the center. Yes, we have made the beautiful daisy flower. Now make the stem and we'll make the bug also using that cone. Wow! Take a leaf and make the marking and cut it out like this. Yes, now stick it on the paper. Make the two eyes like this. Make the legs and two sharp hands using the leaf. Now stick some leaf as the ground and some leaf as the fishes. Let's take some green clay and roll it down like this as if we are making some ground using the finger. Now make some stems and the leaves using the green clay only. Now take some red clay and make the flower using this technique. It is really easy to make. Stick those flowers on the stem and our scenery is ready. We have added some honeybees also. And thank you for watching.